This is the Dream, Carnival Dream. 6208 handicap room. Can you get my back? Here we go, guys. This is, so we come in. I forgot my gimbal's packed, so I don't have it. Okay, let me get this room here. Wait. You did much better last time. I think you're going too fast. I hope I'm not getting you guys sick. So it's, there's Shannon. This is the room. We ordered water, that's why there's the extra water. There's Shannon in the, there I am, in my wheelchair. We're gonna back up. And this is the bathroom. Okay, let me go in here so I can show how roomy it is. And if you've never been on a cruise before, this is a handicap wheelchair accessible non-ambulatory room. So that means it's the biggest room that is for just the standard non-ambulatory room. So this isn't like a suite or anything. And if you've never cruised before, this is a big room, and you have to prove that you need this room. If you are ambulatory and can walk and don't need this room, and that you can't provide the information, then they will take it from you for people that need it. And then we have a deck here that I can't get to it. There's a little bit of a boom. I can't hold the camera and push myself up there. So, but that is the, I'm sure I will have more video of the actual deck. So the room is, it's on deck 6, so it's 6208. And this can be made into 2 or pushed together as a queen. We got a little chair over here. And
this is the biggest room we've ever had.
No, I think the one we had last time was huge.